live stream your session. So let's see what do we have here. As you can clearly see, yesterday we have a sell-off. Yeah, I mean, I do believe the price might continue to go down even after we have the New York Stock Exchange opening. We can see a little bit more bearishness. For the moment, US 30 is down almost 300 points, while now it's pretty much at a break-even point. But the question is how long that will last, and could we see even bigger sell-off on US 30? So far, we have left 2.5 minutes. More likely, I will go into sells below here, but since we have opening in just a few minutes, and probably I will be waiting for sells after opening, because we can easily see rejection continuation to the upside. If you remember yesterday, if you were here, you could clearly remember this bullish candle right here, what we had at the opening. This was the same candle, and if we're gonna have a similar situation, definitely I want to be in. We have this candle. This is the 5-minute candle which went up 383 points, which is extreme volume. Hopefully we could have a similar situation today, but I mean, who knows, everything is possible. So definitely I will be looking for sells. Let me just take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Maybe I can go with the sells above current candle highs. That would be 51,132. This will be like sniper entry. Let me just write it. Buy stop. And let me just make that on my broker. Buy stop above. This is the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, you can see that strong sell-off right here. Buy stop above. Stop loss will be 80 points. Okay, we have a sell-off. Yeah, maybe I should go with the sells, but just like I said, I want to wait for the opening. Who knows what will happen after that. Now that it's still kind of moving upside. For the moment, I just have a buy stop right here. I don't have a sell limit. So let's wait. Oh, damn. I have entered a sell. I deleted this buy stop. My sell is around here, a little bit lower. Yeah, I still don't have a start. Yeah, I need to close probably my position. I'm still not closing. Stop loss is here, slightly above. Maybe my entry is too late. A little bit too early, but let's wait and see what will happen. Yeah, look at this. Magnet is going to the upside. Definitely too early, but it is what it is. Maybe I should close my position before it's too late. Price will just go up and hit my stop loss. I will give my trade probably buys again at the highs. Once the price hit my stop loss, I will be looking for longs definitely. Look at this bullish momentum right now. I really don't know why I'm even holding this position, but it is what it is. After price hits stop loss, I will be buying. Yeah, I'm buyer. Stop loss below the slows. That's like 130 points. And let's see that. Maybe we could retest this POC, which would be amazing. Four, 4, 3. Okay, that was pretty fast loss. But if we're gonna see similar candle like yesterday, definitely we could expect continuation to the upside. Where is the London session high? Okay, this is the London session high. Maybe I can consider adding a little bit more, because we have a lot of bullish momentum right now, and with a little bit more volume, I'm definitely expecting price moving higher. Okay, daily highs 51,361. Just a little bit more to catch some profit, because I'm currently, if I close both position, I'm currently on break even. So I need a little bit more bullishness. Okay, currently I would create lower rate. Then continue to go higher. Come on, let's go. Okay, price breaking above the previous new highs. That's good. We are now still on break even. I need like 20-30 pips more, and then I will definitely consider closing. Maybe only this highs right here. Moving stop loss eventually a little bit low higher to like 3 points. Ten, 20 pips more, come on. Oh damn, look at this sell open. Fantastic. Okay, so far so good. Definitely, yesterday was a little bit more volatility, but who knows? Look at this crazy boy, man. Okay, for a moment, nothing is really happening since the opening We have, if you look at the 30-minute time frame, you will see candle with overall not a lot of volatility. CAD we had strong injection. I mean, there's still possibility of continuation to the upside. There's no question about that. That's why I'm still holding this position. My target is overall this area right here. But definitely I will have a runner which could lead even higher and bigger profits. But of course, if price managed to go in my direction, so far kind of choppy price movement. I even moved stop loss slightly above. Let's see if this will hold. Nasdaq going to the downside. I mean, just like I mentioned last few days, there's negative. Even the last 2 weeks, there's negative correlation between these two. Whenever Nasdaq goes down, US 30 goes up, and opposite. Since Nasdaq is going down, US 30 should go up. CBD is still showing a little bit more bearishness, but yeah, let's wait for the next 2 minutes to see how the candle will close, and then potentially we can talk about that or potential continuation. Definitely, there was yesterday a little bit more bullish momentum on US 30. Oh damn, look at Nasdaq. That was a decent short. Okay, potential we could retest this lows. This is actually today lows. This is actually lows from today from Asia session. This area could definitely retest. Let's zoom out. Today lows are pretty much this lows, and yeah, price is definitely much lower than Nasdaq was. Yeah. So yeah, Nasdaq is okay. Yeah, definitely we will have a retest of this area. So let's hope that US 30 could push a little bit higher. I know that we could expect a little bit bigger sell-off, but keep that in mind, they're moving in negative directions. There's divergence, but since we have a lot of sell-off on Nasdaq, yeah, that could drag eventually US 30 as well. But for the moment, US 30 is holding kinda decent. We still need to wait for more bullishness. Since Nasdaq is now retesting lows, maybe we can look for potential long. Let's see, do we have some news today? ICN service PMI. In the next 30 minutes, ADP non-farm employment change 122. I mean, okay, Iran has agreed they will not have a nuclear weapon. Okay, that's good. That could in theory push slightly Nasdaq slightly up. Maybe I could eventually look for Nasdaq long then. Wow, dude, this was pretty decent sell-off on Nasdaq. And yeah, I got stopped out on this turn as well. So now I'm considering eventually long some Nasdaq, but I will wait, maybe we can test some area like previous day POC. I bought Nasdaq. So far I'm down 1.3. Okay. If price managed to go down and hit my stop loss, that would be 2k, and yeah, I mean that is my limit, how much I'm willing to lose. I need 150 points on Nasdaq pretty much to end up on a break even today. But my target will be definitely this high. 274. rolling stop loss below the close. Just like I said, I need 150 points to end up in break even for today. That is let's say this area. I don't want to get greedy, but I close my position. I need one more good trade and yeah, then that's it. Maybe restore the loans once again. Or eventually Nasdaq. If you're showing a little bit more strength, that is why I believe that US sterling have enough power to go higher. Okay, I see service PMI is very good, so that should push Nasdaq up. Mhm.